Hey, what's up everybody? I want to do a quick review on this EcoGuard engine air filter. We've been buying these now for a while for our Honda Pilot. Really cannot say enough good things about them. When you first pull it out of the box, it actually comes in this bag, so it keeps it nice and clean, keeps all the debris and everything out of it. So when you go to put this in the engine, I've noticed that it's made of very stiff plastic material. So really happy with that. I've replaced a lot of air filters and engines. Some of the brands that I've used previously seem to be made of kind of like more of a flimsy material, so you know they're not made real well. This one is total opposite of that. The actual filter on this is made of like a thick, like paper material, kind of like cloth paper material. And it does a really good job. We go about every 15 to 20,000 miles before we have to replace one of these in ours. So again, extremely happy with these. If you're looking for something new, maybe you're on the fence about buying one of these, I personally would highly suggest the EcoGuard. Really happy with them.